Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share some really sweet birthday gifts that I received from my friend Armin, who is Happy Mail Queen. Hey girl. So I received this goodie bag from her at the Scrapbook Expo, which was not this past Saturday, but the weekend before. And it was stuffed. I'm just letting you guys know. But it came in this super cute bag. Sorry for that crinkling. So it's a unicorn. Super cute, and I'm just telling you, it was really heavy and I didn't have a chance to open it in front of her, but I just wanted to share with you guys because it is just so super sweet. So this is the card. She used some alpha stickers and some of these dimensional stickers. Super cute. And this is my birthday card. How pretty is that? I believe this is the Anna Griffin kit that she used to create this card. And let me tell you, when I opened this card up, this came flying out and scared me half to death. So it's a butterfly, and I guess you just keep twisting it. And let me see if I can try to recreate what happened. Yeah, but it was much more powerful than that, and I literally like jumped out of my seat. So thank you so much, Armin. I love that card. So I actually already went ahead and unwrapped everything because she had everything so beautifully wrapped. Here's the wrapping paper that it came in, and the other items came wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. So I did save those, and some of them also had this really sparkly blue tool wrapped around it with some tags. So I'm just gonna dive right in. I don't know what was together and what wasn't, but I'm gonna try to go through it quickly because, like I said, it was jam-packed. So first, I got these lint rollers, but there's unicorns on it. How super cute. And these are actually great, not only with your clothes, but in the craft room as well. So thank you so much. I can always use more lint rollers. I also received this micro light box. I've never seen it this small before. And it is cloud shaped. It's in this super cute mint color. Look at how cute this is. Super cute. I have not put the batteries in it yet to try this out, but I will definitely probably have that on my desk in a little bit. She also gifted me this super cute unicorn notepad with a pen. I'm always jotting down notes, and I love that it has these little dots so I can check them off when I'm done, which is the most satisfying thing whenever you're creating lists. She also has gifted me some lipstick shaped fluorescent pens. How super cute is that? Love that. I don't know if you guys can notice a theme here, but these are some unicorn socks. So there's 3 pairs in here. These have the stars, this one has the unicorn silhouette, and then this has an eyelash on it. And I love socks, especially this season coming up. I live in socks. Next, there was this bag of, these are magnets. These are from Target. And I think she actually put in more than what came in here because it says 8. And As you can see, there's a lot more than 8, but these are so super cute. Some of these I will use as magnets. The other ones you can totally use in craft projects. So thank you so much for sharing those, Armin. Then there was this super cute unicorn treat bag. And inside was this hand sanitizer holder. And I do not have anything like this. It is so super cute. It's all glittery, but the glitter does not rub off. So I will definitely be putting this in my purse. She also had this super cute, fluffy pen. It has these dots on it, and it's all blue, and that will be really fun. I think I might actually take this to work with me. And this was also in the package. I love this. This is so pretty. It says unicorns are real, and it's just a little like cosmetic bag. And inside, of course, she put stuff inside. There were some really cute, these are like epoxy stickers, super tiny. She also had some of these bows in here. This is super cute with the rhinestone trim in the center. This really big cupcake sticker, it's a puffy sticker. And this adhesive patch. Super cute because I don't have this one. I think I got the other one. There was another one earlier this year. So thank you so much, Armin. You just really went overboard. I also received these iron-on patches. Look how shabby they are with this beautiful flower print on the blue on the back. So I need to find a sewing project to adhere these to. This was in the package. This is they call it a journey book. It's by Paper House. I've never seen this before, but it is like a traveler style, you know, traveler's notebook. Look how pink and glittery this is. I love it. And it has 2 pockets on the inside. I really like this little end piece here. I think I might do that when I start making my TNs again. And then inside the box included are some of these. These are not paper. They feel like really thin faux leather, but they're like dividers for your pages. And then there were these 2 blank notebooks inside this kit. Super pretty, and I don't have to do anything to them. I can just stick them in and use that. I might use this as a crafting TN. And then lastly, inside the package, she made me something. It is this super cute banner, and I think I got it kind of tangled. And I can't show you all of it in one frame, but she does have a video that she put out early last week, and I will actually go ahead and link that if you guys want to know how she created this. But look how cute. I love it. And these are shakers. And I love the different colored bows and different type of bows that she used. So cute. I actually have her other banner that she made me for my birthday, I think maybe 2 years ago or maybe last year. But this is going to go up somewhere in my craft room. So thank you so much, Armin. This was just over the top. You totally went overboard, but I love everything. And I will put them all to good use. And I appreciate you guys stopping by to take a look at some of my birthday blessings. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.